Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn about articles. There are three articles: a, and the. First of all, we talk about a. A is used with consonant sounds. Then and we used with vowel sounds. The we use with one of a kind unique, यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो एक हो या यूनिक हो उसके साथ हम लेटर द लगाते हैं. अब हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. आ पोएम, पी इज़ कॉन्सोनेंट सो फॉर वी यूज़ ए. आगे है यूरोपियन, ई इज़ वाउल साउंड बट द साउंड इज़ consonant. So far we use A. Again, the sky. Sky is only one. We have one sky. So far we use the. And honest man. H is consonant, but the sound is vowel sound. So far we use here an. A horse. H is consonant. So far we use A. The weather. And ice cream. I is vowel sound. So far we use an. And FIR. F is consonant but sound is vowel sound. F. So far we use an. The piano and umbrella. U is vowel sound. So far we use here an. A university. U is vowel sound but the sound is consonant. So far we use here A. Hope you get it. Thank you so much.